Hey, Brox. Where are you going again? Brox, where are you going? We're gonna go to see the deer. Oh, where are they? They are.
Yeah.
We go this way. Just go around here.
Look. I can see that all.
Yeah, look at them all there. There's a lot of them.
Look.
Can we go a bit closer, but not too close, okay? This way here. Oh, where are they going? Don't run away. Say hi, dear.
They have a horn. Look.
Huh?
That's a reindeer.
Whoa, where's the reindeer?
There, beside the deer.
Oh, he's hiding from one of the deers. That's them there.
That's
He has a big, what you call that, turn?
deer.
Yeah.
Have a long horn.
Yeah, there's one and there's another one at the back.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
There's a lot of them here in Phoenix Park.
Get up, look.
Hmm?
Get up in there. Hi, that deer play.
Oh, come on, we go a little bit closer.
And there's the deer.
Yes.
And there's the goat over side there.
Yes.
There's a goat beside there. Look.
Don't jump now, you're scaring them. Look,
Oh, we're gonna find
they're gonna
it.
run away now.
No, it's finally food. Look at the ant deer. Ant deer. Look at the ant deer.
Yeah.
Hiding in the grass. Oh.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
How are you doing?
How are you doing?
Don't go away. Don't run away. Which one is your favorite one, Brox?
That
The brown one?
the black one, that one.
The black one? There's no black one. That's a dark brown color.
The dark brown color.
Yeah. Are you excited to see them?
Yeah.
Are you happy
Oh,
to see them?
hi, that's not the airplane.
That's Daddy's drone.
That's not the drone.
Yeah. Come on, we go closer a bit. We're not too close now. Hi guys, don't be scared of us. Hey!
With the black.
These are the wild deers here in Phoenix Park in Dublin. Where? It's a reindeer. Why do you call it a reindeer? Why do you think it's a reindeer?
It's have a horn.
They have a horn, a big horn. Doesn't he, Brox? This one here, look, there's a big horn. Did you hear the voice? Look at this one, oh, have a big horn. And there's another one that's sitting there, look. There he is now. So guys, where are you going? Aww.
Look at another one here.
Where?
Look at another horn. Hi there.
Hi there.
My name is Brox.
Aw, my name is Brox, guys.
My name is Brox.
Look at them, they're feeding the deer over there. Oh, look. That's cool. Which one?
That one, the black one.
How about that one in front of you?
A deer.
Yeah, look at his horn. So big, darling.
Horn. Oh, what?
See? Brooks going mad.
Oh, this is Daddy John.
Yay! Oh, look at they're feeding him there, oh. You stay here now. Don't go closer.
Feed them.
Huh?
We feed them.
Yeah, they're feeding them.
Look at the deer. That's a lot of deer.
This one is very beautiful. Look at him,
A
oh.
lot of deer. Mom.
Yeah, look at that.
There's a lot of deer.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy John.
You okay?
Babonga, Baba flower.
Who sang that? Angry Bird.
Darida, Babonga, Baba flower.
Brooks going mad about Angry Birds, guys. He likes that song. Again? What Brecko do?